The search for the perfect dollhouse ends here. KidKraft Majestic Mansion, the ultimate playground for your child's imagination. Ever wondered if a dollhouse could be big enough to spark endless creativity while still standing the test of time? For years, you've searched for that one toy that combines imagination with durability without sacrificing fun. Enter the KidKraft Majestic Mansion, standing at 4.5 feet tall with 4 levels and 8 rooms. It's the perfect solution to your search. Forget cramped, one-room dollhouses that limit playtime. This expansive mansion offers the space your child needs to explore, create, and bring their dolls to life like never before. The struggle with smaller dollhouses is real. The lack of space often leaves kids fighting for room to play. But with the Majestic Mansion, you can kiss those cramped, frustrating moments goodbye. The 4 levels provide ample space for your child to play with friends or siblings, without stepping on anyone's toes. From the gliding elevator to the opening garage doors, each feature is designed for interactive fun. No more fights over space or toys. Instead, let your child's imagination run wild in a mansion big enough to accommodate all their dreams. But what about durability? We've all had that one dollhouse that fell apart after a few months of play. That's not the case here. Crafted from high-quality wood, the KidKraft Majestic Mansion is built to last, ensuring it remains a part of your child's playtime for years to come. It's not just a toy, it's an heirloom designed to be passed down. You'll never have to worry about a flimsy plastic dollhouse again. With its sturdy construction and timeless design, this mansion is built for both today's playtime and tomorrow's memories. What truly sets this dollhouse apart, though, is the 34-piece accessory set that comes with it. No more boring, basic furniture. The Majestic Mansion comes with unique pieces like an iron and ironing board, piano, and even a grandfather clock, adding richness and realism to your child's play experience. Every room is designed to be rearranged, so your child can customize the space and keep things fresh. Whether they're hosting a tea party or rocking a baby doll to sleep in the adorable attic nursery, the possibilities are endless with this fully furnished masterpiece. Assembly struggles are another thing of the past with the KidKraft Majestic Mansion. Sure, it requires a little effort to put together, but with easy-to-follow instructions and just a couple of hours of your time, you'll have a sturdy, beautiful dollhouse ready for your child to enjoy. Plus, the assembly process can be a fun bonding experience. Grab a friend or family member, and turn it into a mini project. Once it's assembled, you can relax knowing that your child's new favorite toy is ready for years of imaginative play and memories to come.